How to set up and connect to a Wi-Fi network on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connections. Now at the top here, tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure you turn on Wi-Fi by tapping on the toggle button and make sure it is switched on. Next, we go down to the available networks section and then tap on the Wi-Fi network that you would like to connect to. So here I will connect to the David network, so I tap on that. Next, you put in your Wi-Fi password. Now at the bottom here, you can see there is a scan password option. Now if you tap on that, you'll be able to scan the password on another device. If you know the password, you can also manually enter the password. Okay, so I have now put in my Wi-Fi password, and in here you can also choose whether to have your phone auto reconnect to that particular Wi-Fi network or not. So tap on the toggle button, then tap on View More. In here, your IP address will automatically be assigned by DHCP. If you are connecting to your school or Wi-Fi network, sometimes you may need to enter in the proxy network. So the proxy settings can be auto-config, or you can manually enter in the proxy information. So here I will turn it off because I do not need to use a proxy on my Wi-Fi network. And other things, you can control send device name to network or not, or you can switch it off. So once you're happy, tap on connect. And that's it. So now I'm connected to that network. And from here, you can browse the internet, you can watch YouTube, you can go on Facebook, and so on. In the quick settings panel, you can tap on this Wi-Fi network icon to disable or enable Wi-Fi. And that's it. Once you are connected, on your status bar, it should show the Wi-Fi network icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.